This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by picking a single image that matches or exceeds your laptop's screen resolution so it won't blur. Once chosen, save it to Pictures or the desktop. This makes it simple to find. Now right-click the file or an empty desktop area to open the context menu. The goal here is to access display or personalization controls immediately. Make sure to note whether you want fill, fit, stretch, or center so you can set the correct display mode in the next step. You'll now open personalization or display settings from the right-click menu and select background. Once there, click Browse and navigate to where you saved the image. Select it and preview immediately. Next, choose the fit mode. Fill for no black bars, fit to preserve aspect ratio, stretch only if resolution mismatch is acceptable. If you have multiple monitors, use span or set per monitor images. Once done, confirm and close settings. The OS applies changes instantly, and you can verify clarity and alignment. You finish by checking the result visually and adjusting if needed. Verify resolution and color profile if tones look wrong. If the wallpaper doesn't apply, resave the image as a different format such as PNG or JPG and try again, because some image metadata can block application. If the desktop still won't refresh, restart the File Explorer process or reboot the laptop. This resolves most cache or permission problems. One tip: make sure
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.